For nearly half a century, Voyager 2 has been drifting farther and farther from Earth, beyond the Sun's warmth, beyond the gravitational pull of any planet, and far beyond the boundaries of what science once considered possible. It was never designed to survive this long. It was never meant to wander this far. And yet, it still whispers. But recently, that whisper changed. What NASA decoded from the latest transmission didn't just surprise the engineers listening, it sent ripples through the entire scientific community. A pattern. A signature. A finding so strange, so unlikely, that it may represent a challenge to our very understanding of physics itself. A reality we may not be ready to face. What exactly did Voyager 2 uncover out there in the dark? Why are researchers calling it the most haunting discovery ever made in space? The truth is, Voyager 2 shouldn't still exist. Its journey became possible only because of an incredibly rare cosmic opportunity, a once-in-176-year alignment of the outer planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune aligned just right, creating a celestial slingshot that engineers could exploit. In the 1960s, a NASA employee, working by hand, charted those orbits and revealed a narrow gateway to the stars. This cosmic path allowed Voyager 2 to leap from planet to planet, using their gravity to accelerate, faster, farther, and deeper than any object humanity had ever launched. And yet, this remarkable machine is almost laughably primitive by today's standards. It holds only 69 kilobytes of memory, less than what a digital photo requires. It transmits data using the power of a refrigerator light bulb. No AI. No upgrades. Just handcrafted code and sheer determination. Yet despite all odds, Voyager 2 still endures, billions of miles from Earth, on the frontier of the unknown. In 2018, it crossed a critical boundary, the heliopause, the edge of the heliosphere, where the solar wind from our Sun surrenders to the pressure of interstellar space. It followed in the path of its twin, Voyager 1, which crossed 6 years earlier. But what Voyager 2 detected beyond the Sun's domain did not match our models. There were sudden spikes in plasma density. Radiation levels changed drastically. The ambient magnetic field held steady, even when, according to physics, it shouldn't have. It was like stepping into a new dimension and finding the laws of nature slightly off. We had long imagined the heliosphere as a protective bubble around our solar system, a magnetic shield fending off the chaos of deep space. But Voyager 2 revealed that this barrier is anything but simple. Instead of silence, it found ghost-like pulses of radiation. Instead of symmetry, it found twisted magnetic patterns. Instead of calm, fluctuations that made no sense. Stable plasma. Rising galactic radiation. But no corresponding magnetic shift. This shouldn't be possible. Unless, something about our basic understanding is wrong. Voyager 2's instruments, designed in the 1970s, shouldn't be able to detect any of this. And yet, it does. Even as its plutonium generators lose 4 watts of energy each year. Even as its heaters are turned off one by one. Even when engineers disabled the thermal support for its cosmic ray detector, they expected it to fail. It didn't. It kept functioning. As if some part of it refused to shut down until it told its final story. And now, that story has taken a new turn. Recent data showed repeating pulses in plasma pressure, consistent, rhythmic, and possibly indicative of interstellar structures. Waves are boundaries far beyond what we've ever imagined. Some theorize these pulses may be caused by shock waves from ancient supernovae, echoes of dead stars that exploded millions of years ago. Others believe they are remnants of magnetic walls, cosmic partitions where galactic forces meet solar leftovers. But even more curious was a recent signal. A short burst. A 2.4-second frequency spike. It wasn't random static. It wasn't just background noise. It exhibited mathematical structure. Patterns that stood out from the surrounding chaos. It happened only once, but it was enough to raise questions. Some engineers believe it's an error. A fluke. An artifact of aging hardware. Others aren't so sure. To them, it looked deliberate. Not intelligent, but certainly intentional. Could it be an unknown cosmic phenomenon? An interstellar magnetic anomaly? Or, could it be something we've never seen before, never even considered? Voyager 2 doesn't just carry instruments. It carries a message. A golden phonograph disc, etched with the music of Earth, natural sounds, greetings in 55 human languages. It's a cultural time capsule, a fragile hope hurled into the galactic sea. A dream of connection, of peaceful contact. A memory of home. Now, ironically, Voyager 2 itself may become that contact. Its power is fading. Its systems are shutting down. The signal is weakening, and eventually, it will go silent forever. But before that final breath, it leaves us with something extraordinary. A reminder that the universe isn't quiet. That the edge isn't the end. That beyond the last echo of solar light lies a realm we barely understand. The heliosphere isn't a smooth shield, it's a tangled borderland, shaped and torn by forces beyond the sun. Cosmic rays. Alien magnetism. Ancient radiation. This is where Voyager 2 now travels, exposed, vulnerable, and listening. What it has found so far already defies expectations. And it may have only just begun. So what did Voyager 2 truly discover? A glitch? A ghost? Or the first whisper of something vast, ancient, and unknown?